Good afternoon everyone. How are you? I hope you are fine at your home. Okay, so which period is this? This is your English period. Which period is this? This is your English period. And I am your English ma'am. Who I am? I am your English ma'am. So, we have learned phonics sound till W, A to W. We have learned phonics sound A to W. Okay. So, once again I will revise you all the sounds and after that we will start to learn another sound. Okay. First, in previous lecture I have taught you sound of W. Okay. W. So, what is the sound of W? The sound of W is V. The sound of W is V. 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 Look here. Watch. W. W. V. Watch. Wall. W. V. Wall. W. V. Wall. W. V. Well. W. V. Well. Okay. In V sound V and in W sound V. V. Okay. So sound of W is V. The sound of W is V. W. V. Watch. W. V. Watch. W. V. Wall. W. V. Wall. W. V. Well. W. V. Well. Okay. And one more thing. Water. W. V. Water. W. V. Water. W. V. Water. Okay. W. V. Whale. W. V. Whale. Whale fish you have seen now? Yes, it is so big. W. V. Whale. The sound of W is V. The sound of W is V. W. V. Watch. W. V. Well. W. V. Water. W. V. Wall. W. V. Whale. Okay. So, the sound of W is V. 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 Okay. Now, we will revise all these sounds. Okay. What we will do? We will revise all the sounds. Okay. Okay, first we will do this sound, then after that we will revise all the sound. What we will do? First we will learn the sound of this letter and after that we will revise all the sound from A to Z. Okay? Now, look here. After W, which letter will come? X. Okay? X and sound of X is X. X. The sound of X is X. The sound of X is the sound of X is X. X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. X for, look here. It is not from X, but the last sound of X is box. Look here. X is there. Okay. In 6, last letter is X. In fox, last letter is X. The sound of X is, we will learn in this word. Okay. X. Sound of X is, sound of X is, the sound of X is X. X. Okay. X-ray. X. X-ray. X. X. X-ray. X. X. Xmas. X. The sound of X is the sound of X is okay. So look here all of you. X for X-ray. 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 Xmas. Xmas. Okay. The sound of X is box. Six. Fox. Okay. The sound of X, this last, the sound X is coming is X. Box. Six. Fox. Okay. Box. Six. Fox. Xmas. These are the sound of X. The sound of X is X. The sound of X is X. Okay. After that we will learn sound of Y. What we will learn? We will learn sound of Y. And sound of Y is Y. The sound of Y is Y. What is the sound? The sound of Y is Y. Y. Yo-yo. Look here. Y for yo-yo. Y for yellow color. Y for yak. Y for yak. Y for yes. Y for yes. Look here. Y for yo-yo. Y for yellow color. Look here. Okay. Now Y for yak. Look here. Here it is. Y for yak. Okay. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. The boy is playing with yo-yo. Okay. Y for yarn. Y for hand. Okay. So Y yo-yo. Y yo-yo. Y yo-yo. Y yellow. Y yellow. Y yellow. Y yellow. Y yellow. Y yak. Y yak. Y yak. Y yak. Okay, you have to repeat after me. Y yak. Y yak. Y yak. Y yak. Y yes. Y yes. Okay, we say yes. When I ask who are present in the world? Yes, ma'am, I am present. Okay. So look here. Look all of you. Y yak. Y yak. Y yak. Y yak. Y yo-yo. Y yo-yo. Y yes. Y yes. Y yellow. Y yellow. Okay. So sound of X is X. The sound of X is X. Sound of Y is Y. Now we will learn sound of Z. The sound of Z is 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 Z. Okay, now look here. Z for zip. Z for zebra. Z for zero, Z for zigzag, Z for zoo. Okay. Z for zip, Z for zebra, Z for zigzag, Z for zoo. Okay. Z for zoo. So what is sound of? Look here. Z, z, zip. The sound of Z is z. Repeat after me. The sound of Z is z, z, z. The sound of Z is z. The sound of Z is z. Look here. Z, z, zip. 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 Okay. Z, z, zip. Z, z, zebra. Z, z, zebra. Z, z, zebra. Z, z, zebra. What is sound of Z? Z, z. What is sound of Z? Z, z. What is sound of Z? Z, z. Zebra. Z, zebra. What is sound of Z? Z, zebra. Z, zebra. Okay. Z, z, zero. Z, z, zero. Z, z, zero. Z, z, zero. Z, z, zigzag. Z, z, zigzag. Z, z, zigzag. Z, z, zero. Z, z, zoo. Z, z, zoo. Okay. Z, z, zoo. Z, z, zoo. Okay. So what we have learned? Today we have learned phonics sound of three letters. Z, sorry, X, X, X. The sound of X is X, X. Y. Sound of Y is Y, Y, Y. The sound of Z is Z, 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 Z. The sound of Z is Z, Z. Okay. Understand or not? Okay. Now you repeat after me. The sound of X is X. 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 The sound of Y is Y. 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 The sound of Z is Z. The sound of Z is Z. Z. The sound of Z is Z. Okay. So what we have learned? Today we have learned phonics sound of letter X, Y and Z. Okay. Again, look here. We will revise. You have to repeat after me. X, X, X-ray. X, X, X-ray. X, X, Xmas. X, X, Xmas. X, box. X, 6. X, fox. Now, yo-yo. Y, yellow. Y, yak. Y, yak. Y, yes. Now Z. Z, z, zip. Z, z, zebra. Z, z, zigzag. Z, z, zoo. Okay. Now we will revise all the phonic sound from A to Z. What we will do? We will revise all the phonic sound from A to Z. Now you have to repeat after me to be has completed all the phonic sound from A to Z. Okay. So whenever you read any spelling, you have to read with phonic sound. Okay. You have to read with the sound of the word. Look here, all of you. A. Sound of A is A. B. 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 A. B. B. C. K. C. K. A. B. B. C. K. D. 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 A. B. B. C. K. D. D. E. 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 F. 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 G. 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 H. 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 I. E. I. E. I. E. A. B. B. C. K. D. D. E. F. G. G. H. I. E. J. 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 K. 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 L. 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 M. 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 N. 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 G. G. H. I. E. J. J. K. K. L. L. M. M. N. N. O. 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 P. 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 M. 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 N. N. O. O. P. P. Q. 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 R. 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 S. S. T. 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 S. T. T. U. 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 V. 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 W. 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 X. 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 Y. 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 Z. 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 Okay, so we have learned all the phonic sound. What we have learned? We have learned all the phonic sound A to Z. A to Z. Now once again we will revise, and at home you have to revise. And whenever you read any spelling, any word, you have to read with phonic sound. You have to read that word with his sound. Okay, A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A, F, G, G, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, R, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Okay, what we have done? We have learned phonic sound of all this letter. You have to keep practicing reading this phonic sounds. Okay, what you have to do? You have to practice all this. Okay, you know we have learned one rhymes. Bits of paper. Do you remember that rhyme? Yes or no? Okay, we will revise one time. Okay. Bits of paper, lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Make place and tidy, make place and tidy. Pick them up, pick them up. Okay, so nice now. So clap all of you. Okay, once again. Last time once we will recite the rhyme. Then after that we will end the session. Okay. Bits of paper, lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Make place and tidy, make place and tidy. Pick them up, pick them up. Okay. Good. Good, my lovely kids. So sweet, all of you. You are so sweet. Okay. So revise all this. Okay. Till then, bye and have a nice day.